Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create automations in Monday.com. So Monday.com has a dedicated section for automations or integrations from where you can automate a lot of processes. Like for example, if a client changes from this section to another section, you can set up an automatic email to be sent to them, or a lot of things that can be automated, which I'll gonna show you in a minute. So on the top right corner there is this button called automate. You have to press it and it brings you to automation center. Now here are some predefined templates that you can use or you can create your custom automation if you want. And like basic automations are like when an item is created, assign creator as person, when status changes, notify someone, when data arrives, notify someone. And it also supports a lot of apps like Gmail, Calendar, Outlook, so you can automate these apps with Monday.com. For example, if a status changes in Monday.com, you can send email using Gmail, or you can add that person into Calendar, or you can add a Zoom meeting with that, or send a Slack notification. So you can check out all of these notifications by yourself. You can check out all the apps that they're supporting, and you can create automations between apps by clicking use template button or by creating custom automations. It also gives you a lot of basic featured notification status changes automations, but you can create any automation according to your need. So guys, that's automation center in monday.com, and here how you automate your processes. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.